Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate concat method of string class in Java. So let's get started. Concat method is one of the important predefined methods of string class. Concat method is one of the important predefined methods of string class in Java and using which we can concatenate, strings. Using this, we can concatenate the strings. I'll give an example. So if you remember in one of the earlier previous sessions of the course, we have used a symbol known as plus symbol, and we have used this plus symbol as a concatenation operator. If this plus symbol is used with the numbers, it will act like an addition operator. And if the same plus symbol is used with the strings or string text or strings, then it will act like a concatenation operator. How? I'll give an example here. For example, my first name, I want to concatenate my first name. This is a string, right? It's not a number. If I use plus symbol with a string, it will act like a concatenation operator. I'll just concatenate that with space, and that part I'll again concatenate with some other string. So what will happen here? Plus symbol will act like a concatenation operator. And if I print this entire thing, what will happen? Space Arun will be concatenated with space, so it will become Arun space, and Arun space will be concatenated with Motori, so it will become Arun Motori. Similarly, we can use a concat in place of this plus symbol. In place of this plus symbol, we can also use a concat predefined method of the string class. It will also do the same thing. It will not do addition, but it can concatenate strings. It can only be used with strings. So, okay. So it can be used with anything, but it will work like concatenation only. It will not work like addition or something. Okay, plus symbol can work like addition if with numbers and all, but with strings it will like concatenation. It will work, right? But concat will only do concatenation. So how to use it? Arun dot concat, Arun dot concat, and I would like to concatenate the space. To this Arun text, I would like to concatenate the space. After that, I would like to contact. Okay, for this resultant Arun space, I would like to concat motor. Like this, I would like to concat. So what will be the result here? The result will be Arun space Motul. Same thing. Using plus symbol also we got the same result. Using the concat predefined method of the string class also we got the same result. Both are using for concatenation purpose only. So when we have to go for plus, you see when your code need to look very simple. It's okay if you are not able to understand the code, but plus symbols and all, but it should look very simple. Then go for plus. If you want a readable kind of code, lengthy and readable kind of code, go with concat. You can use anything. So now let me demonstrate this practically how to use concat predefined method of the string class for concatenating the strings. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll name this class with some random name and with main method. And inside this main method, I'm going to create the string. I can create like this, that's okay. Or string first name is equal to, I'll give Arun. Then after that, sorry, string first name is equal to Arun. String last name is equal to Mutori. Like this I'll give. Now what I will do here is I'll simply write down first name dot concat last instead of giving last name here I'll give space. Okay, first name dot concat. This will result you first name concatenated with space only. That result, that result I can dot concat. Okay, I can, you see the return type of this concat is string only. You see the return type of this string. So again string dot concat we can say, or we can store here also string s1 is equal to, if I print it, s1 if I print it guys, what will be printed? Arun concatenated with space will be printed. That's it. Now what if I'll say s1 dot concat last name, and this will result you string s2, let's say, is equal to, here I'll simply write system.out.println s2. Now run this code. This time you'll get Arun space Motori. Okay, Arun got concatenated with space in the previous thing in the s1. That s1 dot concat, it got concatenated with Motori. Okay, it got Arun Motori. Instead of writing this many number of lines, we can also write like this. First name dot concat, here space. The result of this concatenation, you are going to concat with last name. Now this result, now if I write string s3 is equal to, if I print this result, system.out.println s3, if I print it out, it will print Arun space motory. You see, Arun space motory got printed here with this. Okay. Or you can also do one thing. Instead of even writing like this, you can also write like this. System.out.println first name dot concat space dot concat, sorry, dot concat here, dot concat last name. First name dot concat space, then this result dot con sorry, first name dot concat space, and that result concat with last name. So that will be resulting in Arun Motorian. Again, you'll get the same output here. Okay, guys. So this is how we can use a concat predefined method of string class in Java. So using this concat, we can concatenate the string. Similar to the plus symbol, we can concatenate the strings in Java with the help of this concat predefined method of string class in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.